So Sean, you first. Share your screen. Right now, I set mute to myself, so you can turn on your. Or maybe Soundery ready? Soundery or Sound? Who is ready, then who's first? So ready? You should leave mute mode, leave this one, right? And your sound, your volume. And then? No. So try to check anything wrong. And how about Sandry? Oh, yeah. Let me turn off. Okay. And say it again. 你们有听到声音吗？是我的电脑没有声音。And say it again. Huh? It's camera. Microphone ready. And say it again. Oh dear. Oh, maybe because of a recording, so maybe you cannot hear it directly. Perhaps through my USB microphone. But that's okay. You can speak. And later, let me check anything wrong. Share your screen first. Yeah, share your screen. But why you cannot show on the main one? So you can speak. Oh, yeah, that's correct. Try to have the clear one. You set it to mute, right? Right now you set it to mute, so try to. No voice from you, so you need to turn on your microphone.
That means you're
Mine? Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm mute. Sorry. So how to have the clear one? So next time you can try to practice how to have the clear one. And Sandri, can you have the clear? Maybe ask Sandri to test first. Can you have the clear one? Oh, yours okay. So allow Sandri first. Allow Sandri, so you share your screen first. Right now you can share your screen. Skype, share.
It didn't work on my computer, so I have it on my phone. Okay.
Sure, okay. Your phone should share your screen. Yeah, your phone. Phone, share your screen. So that you can occupy the current space. It's yours, right?
Yeah, it's mine.
Okay, so yeah, share your content. It's tiny. So you mute first, then turn on your microphone. Sandra, turn on your microphone.
Yes, it's on now.
Yeah, you see? So that's why I want to set myself to mute, and so that you are the speaker. All right, so fine. Ready? Okay, go and explain.
Okay.
2 minutes possibly. 你们一个人帮他拿的。
Okay, so here you have the expected value of x and then minus expected value of x squared. And then I just open up the squaring, so you get x2 minus 2x ex squared. And then x squared, you just take the expected value of x squared. Then minus 2x ex, this can be done as a constant, so you just get the 2ex as a constant, so you just times it the expected value of x, and then you have expected value of x2 squared, which is constant as well. So you finally get this one, and then you just clean it up because there's two ex times ex is ex squared, so you get ex squared minus ex squared. And the next one.
So that's okay.
That's okay.
Share this one only. So he tried to share how to have the derivation for variance. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, and Sean, is it okay? So that is the first problem. All right, problem 1. And Sean, which problem you want to discuss? Problem 2? Okay, sure. Where for you?
No, I can't believe it.
Maybe you can use his to have further discussion. Can you move on?
Okay.
Is it okay? So something wrong with the cell phone. And someone.
In group 2, we have covariance of x1 and x2 equal the effect of x1 minus effect of x1 would be x2 minus effect x2 is equal expected of x1 the x2 minus x1 with expected x2 minus x2 minus x multiple with expected x1 plus expected x1 and expected x2 we have is equal with expected x1 multiple x2 minus expected of x1 and x2 minus expected of x1 and x2 plus expected of x1 and x2. So we have the and the answer is the x1 and
Let me conclude for you. So just follow the derivation, right? So finally we can reach the result. Yeah, covariance actually can be reduced to that form. Okay, fine. But the next problem, variance of 2x1 plus 3x2. So any good? Good too? Anyone want to have further presentation? 第二题就是刚才 variance 的那个 2x1 加 3x2 Yes or no? Second group? Anyone can have further derivations? Yes or no? Let me move on. Group 4. Any presenter from group 4? Variance. Sure, you can try. But try to use Skype and share your content first. And I said to myself to mute, so no problem. But I will pass my microphone to you so that I can record. No problem. Is it okay? Try. Ready? Yeah. So.
So this is our derivation. In variance 2x1 plus 3x2, we got four variance for x1 and x3, and 9 variance for x2, and the two times 2 times 3 covariance of x1 and x2. And then we get the result of the 2 times 2 times 3. It's 12. Then we derive the variance of x1. We got e of x1 square and e of x1, the square of e of x1. Then e of x2 minus square of e of x2, and then derive the covariance. We got e of x1 x2 and minus e of x1 times e of x2.
So you apply maybe some formula first so that you have this variance plus covariance, right? In fact, this is the answer. Okay. And he tried to have the form variance, try to have variance, and covariance to have covariance, and put them together. This one, okay as well. All right. In fact, you can have the first one or the second one if you want to express in terms of expectation. But this one actually expressed in terms of variance and covariance. This one or this one, either one is okay. All right, so that's it. But in fact, if you want to have the derivation for yourself, you can try to have the definition for variance and try to have the derived results later. Maybe to the final one, or maybe try to express in terms of covariance. All right, so variance plus covariance, or maybe you try to have the expectation directly. So either one, it's okay. All right, so in fact, we should have the discussion, allow you to have the discussion with your neighbors. Of course, I want to collect your answer, so I ask you to key in first. And then we will have a sharing. But we have the sharing simultaneous for problem 1 and 2. All right, so in fact, this is an activity for think, pair, and share, right? You think and try to have the discussion with your neighbors. And finally, some of you will share. So actually, this is an activity. And this activity just asks you to think. The main action should be you need to think. Okay, and so that you won't fall asleep, right? So that's my goal for you, and you will have something in mind. And right now, let me get back to this. So later we won't use Skype. So let me close it and get back to the discussion. So previously we finished the sharing variance of 2x1 plus 3x2. And actually we can express the results in terms of variance plus covariance. Or maybe you can have the expression in terms of expectation, the operator E.